If you suspect that your Spotify account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Spotify login page. Go to the Spotify login page on your web browser or open the Spotify app. Click on the login button to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Spotify account. Make sure it is the correct email that you used to register. Then click on the Send button to receive a password reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Spotify. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique. After resetting your password, log into your account and review your account settings for any unauthorized changes. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Spotify account and ensure it is secure. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for added protection in the future.